here we are today, working in a wonderful relationship with the Cincinnati Zoo, completely in sync, to try to capture this, and it's a production. From the Cincinnati Zoo handling the cheetahs, to a film crew from Los Angeles, one from New York, 400 feet of track set out, a high-speed camera that'll do 100 miles an hour, a camera that'll shoot 1,600 frames a second.
2560 by 1440, so 2K.
It is the latest and greatest technology, and it's a production.
1 and 2 and 3.
I've been on some pretty big shoots. This one, I think, takes the cake for sophistication, just for human effort on every front, and cutting-edge technology.